In this video, you will see how to replace word in LibreOffice Writer. It's very easy to find and replace in LibreOffice Writer. You need to click here on this binocular icon. After clicking on it, you will see this find and replace dialog box. You will have here two options. First is find and next is replace. So for example, we will find here find, and if you click on find all, you can see that these are the words that are present in the document, and if you want to replace them, you can just type, let's say I will type here F is the small here, and if I want to replace, I can replace all, and this will replace all the find with the capital F with the small f. You can also replace the words one by one. For example, I am this time finding find with the small f, and here we will replace it with the capital F. So to replace one by one, first you need to click on find previous or find next. So I will click on find previous, and as you can see, it starts from the start of the page, and then I can click on replace and the word will replace. The next word will be auto highlighted, then I can click on replace and then click on again replace and then close. In this way you can find and replace in LibreOffice Writer words quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn LibreOffice Writer quickly. See you again in the next one.